If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad to have you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. My name is Charlie. Most people call me Goose. Some people call me Grandpa. You know, it depends on who you are as to what you call me. And I really don't care as long as you don't call me late for fishing. So, but you know, this is not really about money for me. It's about me doing something with my time besides watching freaking TV. Because I don't do computers, I don't play games, I don't do none of that crap, folks. I just like to watch myself paint lures. It gets me and the wife out of the house and into the shop. And we have spent a lot of time together out here with her going, "You're not looking at the camera, you're not looking at the camera." You know how that is.